Everyone. Hi, welcome back in our YouTube channel, and this is must be my day 24, but it could not be because I was procrastinate all 2 days, that day yesterday and day before yesterday, and I was just bunk out all my schedule with reading, with writing, and oh, wait a minute. I had write. I had wrote 2 pages, but I did not read the book, and I did not speak for minimum 10 minutes that I decided to do, and I just bang. What can I say? I just took the whole 2 days rest due to my movie scenes and movie time. I enjoyed and I got fully bored myself by watching whole time boring stuff on YouTube, and I feel very bored this time, and I had no option about enjoying myself, about making make me enjoyable to do enjoyment by doing record this video by recording this video, because this is the only thing would mean for would mean for me in very long run, and that is the only thing that would be leave me together as a money, because by recording this video money will become by YouTube through AdSense. But I do procrastinate all the things, and I do nurse myself, and I should have feel very guilty, but no, don't worry guys, don't worry, because there is some phrase like, no matter how much you are late, but at least you are awake this time, and I am also. So it could have been my 24 days, but it is my 22 days while day 22 while I am recording myself on my phone or in front of the camera while I am speaking, and I am enjoying my session of 10 minutes of to being a native English speaker. And here I am, teacher Pooja. I am a student of teacher Tiffany, and this time I knew very well that she belongs to US. Yes, she used to live South Korea for 10 years, and she learned Korean to survive there. And I used to think that she might have belonged to South Africa, but she did not. She comes from US, and I am glad that I am her student, because she is very innocent. She is very innocent, grateful, and she has very great personality that every teacher should have. The attitude she have and the method of teaching she have just is mind blowing, and it doing thousands of people, and can say lakhs of people to is to speak English at least, because in this world I can say any would have, any might have, that is doing the good teaching until I am known him right now, because the teacher Tiffany is only the teacher that I have searched from years, and I could know in those early in those all years since 2017, and from when I purchased my first phone, and I could have only one teacher. This is the best teacher ever, Teacher Tiffany. I have one more teacher to have faith, but he has another field. He educate people about finance and about getting independent, and he is also very good in his field. But Teacher Tiffany is just doing the great thing, just doing wow in the field of making people speak English at least, because in India we have only teachers that they could make us learn grammar, learn vocabulary, grammar, vocabularies, pronunciation, and some other things. But in the last 9 years, I couldn't speak English due to lack of knowledge. And the knowledge, the only one thing that I should have known earlier, that is only that I should speak in front of the camera at least minimum for 2 or 10 minutes, as much as I can. And if I do not have cell phone, I should make sure that I must have a mirror to speak with, because without having someone else in my practice session, I could not get fluency due to fear of facing someone else. And when I was pursuing my architecture in Tirthankar Mahavir University, I had a friend or had a classmate named Akansa. She had a amazing story, and she was just wow fluent in speaking English, and she just doing a great thing that she could have with herself in her childhood, because she used to speak in front of the camera, and she wanted to be a native English speaker, and she do punish herself not doing the correct things. And I knew that story since my 2010, and I could not follow the same path due to my failure. But I do not remember that nobody will be perfect, and nobody is perfect in this big world. And this is not the matter of perfection. Everybody should be imperfect, because imperfection gives us clarity to do hard things with ourselves, to doing great job for getting success in our lives. Because if we did not feel imperfection in our lives, and if we used to live every time we in our comfort zone, how could all of us be able to find the purpose of our lives? Believe me, guys, I had give up the purpose of life because I didn't have anything, nor the house, nor the parents, and nor the future. But the only one thing that believe in God and believe in my destiny, believe in myself, gave me hope to survive. And this time also I will do the same thing that I did in my past since 5 years, and I am doing the same thing this time, that I am believing in myself to be able in speaking frequently and fluently in front of the public, and I must sure that I must be a good public speaker, and I must be a public influencer within 100 days, because I had no other option left. I had no other option left because I have to start my new journey within 6 months, and the only option is that I could do hard work for myself and my future, and for my future husband's self, because he wanted me to a native English speaker, not anything else that he could want from me. And I also wanted it since my childhood, to be a public speaker or to be fluent in English in front of someone. And I wanted to giving a speech in front of the public in English. So why could I do not do this time to myself, for my future husband's self? I must do it, because this time I have the only thing, that is my love for this English. And thank you for all who is just being a witness to my and your journey for being a native English speaker. And guys, remember, you are the only one that can help you. Not anyone can help you. Only you can help yourself. So guys, just let the things go and just remember one thing: do help yourself, because everybody could survive on their half, but you could do the favor to yourself only. Everybody will let you alone if you do not a recognition in word, and in the very end of your life you must be regret for overthinking the people's behavior, because people's must be people's, and they must be talking no matter. We are in this world, or our grandsons or their grandsons come, because public always talk about others, not for their self. So let them talk and just join hands and take a promise to yourself that you are on 100 days challenge for doing your dream success, no matter much difficult is your dream, but you can do the hard thing and you can put yourself on 100 days challenge, no matter how much time you left your challenge, but just to, and no matter how much you will give up, but whenever you will remember that you have a dream and you are on 100 days challenge, just wake up guys and do the challenge complete. No matter it will complete in 200 days, but just complete it without any regret. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for having me. I must remember and I must sure that I would be a great teacher to new one, and as you expected. Thank you so much. And this is not only my channel, this is also yours. So welcome back in my next videos. Thank you guys.